So we've just come back to the room and this is what we get. So we have now arrived in La Rochelle.
Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe I'm saying this for the second ever time in my life. Welcome to cruise vlog number 1. So as you may know if you watch my surprise video, I'm actually going on a 12-night cruise on board MSC Virtuosa. Virtuosa. Going to Spain and Portugal. And this vlog is basically departure day. So it's not really, we're not getting on the ship today. But basically what we're doing is, we're travelling to I can't even get my words out. What is it with me in these recent videos? We are travelling down to Southampton with Megabus, which are an amazing coach company, and extra legroom seats, which I will review for you. And then we are staying in the Leonardo hotel in Southampton, just for the night. And then Monday, today's Saturday, and we go, and the ship sails on Monday. We depart from Southampton at 4 PM, heading off on one of the best probably trips I'll ever have in my life. So, as you may know, I'm going in the yacht club in a deluxe suite, and I'm going to do a full tour of that in a separate video, which will be coming on Monday. So I think what I'll do is I'll upload the vlogs the day after, so when you'll see this, it is Monday, and then you'll see the room tour on the same day as this as well, and then the vlogs will be uploaded the day after I've filmed them. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please smash a huge thumbs up and let's get into cruise vlog number 1. Currently 8:44 on the 2nd of June, and as in my intro, it is cruise vlog number 1. So like I said, we're going down on the coach, and the good thing is now we've had our shower fitted in our bathroom, so I can have a shower before we go. I'm gonna go do that. Gonna get a bite to eat. We're gonna go out and buy some snacks for the coach and buy some probably sandwiches, and yeah, I'll see you when we're doing that. So let's go have a shower. And I'm in a brand new outfit after getting out the shower for this year's cruise, so I'm gonna do the ever beloved outfit of the day for you. That's why I'm actually back on my camera filming, so that's good because I got my memory card the other day. So I'm wearing this amazing jacket from Primark. These were in like a 3 for 2 thing, so that's very good. I've also got this shirt from Primark, which is also in the 3 for 2. And I've got, I don't know what brand these shorts are, but they're really nice shorts. And I love wearing them because they're absolutely amazingly comfortable. I'm now going to put my trainers on, which I'll show you in my Primark haul. And we are making the return of the Nike. They're not even Nike, they're Adidas Sambas. 1 second. They are called Adidas Court, but they are very, very nice shoes. So I'm about halfway through getting my bag done. So I've got my sunglasses in my pencil case. I've got my laptop, I've got my phone charger, I've got my earphones. I can't put them in my phone, can I? Because I now have an iPhone. I can put them in my computer though. I've got my hats. I've got my Apple Watch in there. I don't know what else I need actually. So, I've finished packing everything now in my backpack. We've got the cases ready. We're getting picked up at 12 to go to the airport to get on our coach. We're not getting a flight. And I think in about half an hour, we're going to nip to Nice, the local, get some sandwiches, maybe a frozen Fanta. Maybe. Or I might get an iced coffee out of the Costa machine. Probably. And then we are gonna get picked up, head off to the coach station and have our 5-hour ride down to Southampton, which is very long, I know, but it goes very quick. So I will see you probably when we're going to Nice, the local. I have now fully finished packing my bag, and it's even fatter than when I take it to school. So I'll see you when we get to Nice, the local. And we're still not at Nisa Local. I'm waiting to go to Nisa Local. I'm just very, very bored at the moment. Thinking of the 5-hour ride ahead of us. I'm very nervous as well because I hate going on long rides, but I'm going to have to put up with it for this amazing cruise. And I can't wait to get into the Royal Leonardo and have a bed, a double bed to sleep in. Why am I saying that like I don't even have a double bed? I literally have a double bed in my room. But the Leonardo will have them as well. Oh, I've got bags under my eyes. No, I don't have bags in my eyes. Anyway, yeah. In the next clip, I will definitely be at Nisa Local, so I'll see you in Nisa Local. It is 10:28 and we are en route. And we are now at Tesco to do a tiny... Well, I said I was going Nisa, but we're at Tesco now because we get a club card meal deal. So I'll get some food for the coach. So let's go because I'm very hungry. I want a snack. I think I'm going to be a bit plain and I'm just going to get an egg and crust sandwich. This is how sad I am with sandwich options. I think I'm going to get Powerade. This is how... Oh my god, I love Powerade. I'm wondering what snack do I get now. I don't know if whether to get crisp, a chocolate bar or some fruit. I think I'm going to go for... You can get Tic Tacs as a side. So I think I'm going to be plain. I'm going to get some Pringles. Do you know what? I will. It's part of the meal deal, yeah, with a club card. $3.90. I'm going to get a crispy Kraken. And I think I'm going to get... I got a chocolate dream cake one. I didn't know how much it was going to be because usually the Tesco meal deal section is raided in the shop all the time. But there was a lot today. But it's only open 45 minutes though because it's 11:15 now. So we've got 2 hours to go. Very exciting. We're at the bakery. I think we're going to get some of them. There's some of them. So let's put them in. Oh my god, and the light is absolutely beaming in. So we're just dropping a Kia, head home, get everything together, and then we're going to head off to the airport to get on the coach to Southampton. The cruise is not far away. Just before we go about in an hour, I'm going to have a Krispy Kreme. And I'm currently just calling with my cousin, who is here.
Hi.
And I'm going to eat this, and then I'll catch up with you when we get to the airport. So basically, this is my Stanley mug I got from TK Maxx for 15 quid. I've put some ice and Powerade in it, so this will last for about, I think, 8 hours. And it'll stay cold. So that'll be all lovely for when we get on the coach. Bye. Bye. We're on board now. We're still at the airport. We're going to depart very, very soon. And then we'll be heading off to Southampton. I'm currently just having an egg and cress sandwich from Tesco in the meal deal. And so far the trip is going well. It looks very nice outside. And we've got about 3.5 hours left to go, so I'll update you when I'm either next eating something or doing something a bit more practical than eating a sandwich. We are currently in Birmingham at New Street, and we're probably going to be in Southampton in about 2.5 hours, hopefully. So we'll see you update when we are probably in Coventry, but I've had a few snacks and I've had a drink and I'm feeling way better than I did before. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. We are 20 minutes away, so once we are there, I need a bed because I am tired. I have had hardly any sleep. So I'll see you when we're in Southampton in 20 minutes. The bus has now broke down twice and the door just flew open while we're on it. I was like, oh my word. Oh, thank God we didn't travel the day that we're actually getting on Virtuosa. Bloody hell, Joy's then gonna be like, how long did it take them to get here? My word. But anyway, yeah, we're 12 minutes away. after a very long bus ride and a few problems with the bus. We are in Southampton. I've got my case. There's the bus. Let's get to the Leonardo Hotel so I can do a room tour and get a sort of little wrap. My feet are killing me. I don't know if you can see it up and ahead, but here we are. We're at the Leonardo. Got across the road and we'll be there after 7 hours of hard travel. And we're here, the Royal Leonardo. Oh, it's up in there. Oh. We're finally here in the Leonardo. Right, come on. You're not even behind me. Right, so we're in the Leonardo walking down the corridor. 6:19, this next one, Mum, to the right. Got some very nice welcome stuff, and I'm now going to do a room tour. So this is the room we've got in the Leonardo Hotel. So first of all, we got the key in the thing with the light switch. We've got the door with all the stuff on, and we've got some hanging facilities with an ironing board and an iron. Some storage for towels. And then over here, we've got a very nice bathroom with a massive bath. This is the biggest bath we've ever had in an hotel room. And we've got a big shower with a shower curtain. And we've got a nice toilet with some toilet roll and a lovely painting on the wall. And then we've got some glasses in case we need to like wash our mouths out. We've got some tissue. Oh, when that came out, right in a pull. Got a lovely towel. Got a bin down there. We've got a sink. We've got a mirror, which you can see my very tired eyes in. We've got some zero hand wash, that was wet, and a towel. So that's the bathroom. Then you come into the main room again, and we've got something to put our cases on. Got a door which leads into another room. And we've got this big floor to ceiling mirror, which you can see my face in. And then we've got a TV on a table. Well, a table thing that you can store stuff in. With kettle facilities, milk, tea and coffee and some glasses. Some complimentary water from the hotel. A warm welcome letter and a menu for room service. We've got a lamp. Another big mirror, and then over here we have got the lovely view of Charlotte Place, which is absolutely amazing. And then we've got two massive double beds. I've been assigned this one, got kicked out of that one. We got a phone, a painting, and that's our room. We have made an executive decision to go to Bella Italia, which I haven't been to for years because the one near us is actually shut. So, I'm going to get in the lift now, go to Bella Italia and enjoy some lovely Italian fusion. Bella Italia said they had no more tills, so we're going in Cattle Steakhouse. Right, so isn't this so bad? So it says Bella Italia is open till 11, the one in Southampton just down there. We get there, the sign says closed, and they say, sorry, we're not taking any more tables. What's all that about? I don't understand that. So guys, yeah, if you get there at 4 PM and they close at 11, bloody hell, you're done in. Now after the steakhouse is also shut, we're going to go to Ziza and get some Italian food. This menu is absolutely massive. I seriously just like do not know what to get. Oh my Jesus. Oh, it's like a Belgian one. Oh, they're nice. Bit of black pepper. With the cheese full on it. The devil not so
You must be
Right, how is this possible? That's my hand, times 3 of my hand over that pizza, my lord, that is massive. Let's try it. Isn't this just such an amazing square? Like, honestly, if Manchester was like this, I would literally move to the city centre straight away. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We are now back in the hotel, and that meal at Zizi was absolutely incredible, and we are all incredibly tired. So this brings cruise vlog number 1 to an end. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe. I need more subscribers, and I'll see you all later for a brand new cruise vlog tomorrow at 6 PM. Bye.